losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Redmi Note 13 Pro Red Edition phone just launched before few days ago. Good looking red color option with matte finished back. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Redmi Note 13 Pro Red Edition phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So, this is the Xiaomi 13 Pro's Red China New Year Edition phone. When you remove the plastic wrap from the box, you'll find that there's just a red cover on top of the regular box. Inside, you'll get the regular Xiaomi 13 Pro box. When you open the lid of the box, you'll first see a cardboard box. Inside this cardboard box, you'll find a SIM ejector tool, user manual, and a protective case in black color. Also, there's a 67W power adapter included with Type A output. And this is the Type C to Type A data cable. This is all you get in the box. When you remove the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about the phone's design and build, you can see the first look of the phone. The back has a matte finish in red color, and you can see different colors with light reflections. The frame around this red color is black, giving it a classic look. With light reflections, you can see a strong red color reflected in your hand. Other than that, the phone looks the same as the regular edition. After starting the phone, you can see themes in red color, and even the wallpapers are newly customized. However, there are no changes in the icons, they are the same as the ones in the regular edition, but you can use the customized red frame in photos. Apart from these differences, you'll find the same configurations in the phone as in the regular edition. It's just a new marketing strategy. If you haven't watched the unboxing and review of the regular edition of the Redmi Note 13 Pro, you can find the link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe